Hey everyone, Dr. Oz here. I'm thrilled to take you on a journey today. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of castor oil, a truly remarkable substance with a rich history. This incredible oil, derived from the castor bean, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its uses are as varied as they are effective. From ancient Egypt to your grandmother's medicine cabinet, castor oil has a long history of remarkable uses. It was even found in the tombs of pharaohs. Castor oil boasts a unique chemical composition rich in ricinoleic acid, which is responsible for its numerous health benefits. This acid is what makes castor oil so special. It's time to uncover the secrets of this versatile oil and discover how it can enhance your well-being. From skincare to hair health, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned as we explore the many miracles of castor oil. You'll be amazed at how this ancient elixir can transform your daily routine. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before incorporating new remedies into your routine. It's important to ensure it's right for you. Now, let's unlock the potential of castor oil together. Join me as we delve deeper into its benefits and learn how to make the most of this ancient treasure. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is for promoting hair growth. Many people swear by its ability to thicken hair, increase shine, and even combat hair loss. But does science back up these claims? Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid in castor oil can indeed promote hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp and nourishing hair follicles. It can also help to reduce scalp inflammation, a common culprit behind hair loss. To use castor oil for hair growth, simply massage a small amount into your scalp and hair. You can leave it on overnight or wash it out after a few hours. For optimal results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Castor oil isn't just for your hair. It works wonders for your skin too. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a powerful ally in fighting acne. It can also help to fade scars, moisturize dry skin, and even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Castor oil's thick consistency allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin, delivering moisture and nutrients where they are needed most. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your skin from environmental damage. For acne-prone skin, apply a small amount of castor oil directly to blemishes after cleansing. For overall skin hydration and anti-aging benefits, massage a few drops into your face before bed. While castor oil is best known for its external applications, it also offers a range of internal health benefits. One traditional use is as a natural laxative, helping to relieve constipation. However, it's crucial to use it with caution and consult your doctor before ingesting castor oil. Castor oil is believed to promote detoxification by stimulating bowel movements and flushing out toxins. Some proponents also claim it can boost the immune system and reduce inflammation throughout the body. If you're considering using castor oil internally, it's essential to start with a very small dose and monitor your body's reaction. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Soothing relief. Castor oil for aches and pains. For centuries, castor oil has been used topically to alleviate muscle and joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for arthritis, back pain, and other inflammatory conditions. Massaging warm castor oil into affected areas can help to increase blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and ease pain. Some people find relief by applying a castor oil pack, which involves soaking a cloth in warm oil and placing it on the painful area. If you're experiencing chronic pain, it's essential to consult your doctor to determine the underlying cause and discuss appropriate treatment options. Section 6. Boost your defenses, castor oil and immunity. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that castor oil may offer immune-boosting benefits. It's believed to work by increasing the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that play a crucial role in fighting off infections. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may also contribute to its potential immune-supporting effects. However, it's important to note that castor oil should not be used as a substitute for conventional medical treatment. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise and adequate sleep, remains crucial for a robust immune system. Section 7. DIY Beauty Castor Oil Recipes you can make at home. Now let's have some fun and explore some DIY beauty recipes using castor oil. This versatile oil is not only great for your hair and skin, but also easy to incorporate into your daily beauty routine. These simple recipes allow you to harness the power of castor oil and create your own natural beauty products. With just a few ingredients, you can make effective treatments right at home. First, the moisturizing hair mask. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. This blend is perfect for nourishing dry and damaged hair. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, massaging gently. This helps to stimulate blood flow and promote healthier hair growth. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deeper treatment. The longer you leave it, the more time it has to penetrate and repair your hair. Wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo. Make sure to rinse out all the oil to avoid any residue. Next, the acne-fighting spot treatment. Dip a cotton swab into castor oil and apply a small amount directly to blemishes. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. You'll notice a reduction in the size and redness of your blemishes. Finally, the hydrating lip balm. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of beeswax in a double boiler. This mixture will keep your lips soft and hydrated. Heat gently until melted, stirring constantly. This ensures that all the ingredients are well combined and smooth. Pour the mixture into a small container and let it cool completely. Once set, you have a nourishing lip balm ready to use. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can incorporate castor oil into your beauty routine. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Enjoy the process of creating your own natural beauty products at home. Section 8. Castor Oil Safety, using it wisely. While castor oil offers numerous benefits, it's essential to use it safely and responsibly. This natural oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties. Here are some important safety tips to keep in mind. First, patch test. Before using castor oil topically, especially on your face, it's crucial to do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions. Apply a small amount and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Second, pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid using castor oil both internally and externally, unless advised otherwise by their doctor. The oil can stimulate uterine contractions, which can be risky during pregnancy. Third, internal use. If you're considering using castor oil internally, always consult your healthcare professional first. Start with a very small dose and monitor your body's reaction. Castor oil can act as a powerful laxative, so it's important to use it cautiously. Lastly, storage. Store castor oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its freshness and potency. Exposure to light and heat can degrade the oil, reducing its effectiveness. By following these safety precautions, you can enjoy the many benefits of castor oil while minimizing any potential risks. Whether you're using it for skin care, hair growth, or other health benefits, using it wisely ensures you get the best results. Section 9. Embrace the power of castor oil. From promoting hair growth and radiant skin to potentially relieving pain and supporting the immune system, castor oil is a truly remarkable natural remedy. Its versatility and affordability make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Remember to choose high-quality organic castor oil for optimal results. Experiment with different applications and find what works best for you. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more natural health tips and tricks. Click the link in the description box below to check out our favorite castor oil products. Thanks for joining me today. Stay healthy and keep exploring the incredible power of nature.